Hi guys, it's unboxing time, and this box was really late. I got in this show. It was really late. But let's get into it anyways, regardless. Let's see. Okay, so this is the travel series, and it says that this is basically for traveling. All of the products in the box are all TSA approved sizes. We have some cream for the face and the neck, some serum for the face and the neck, blueberry. We have some nail polish, liquid eyeliner or lip gloss. I hope I get the lip gloss. That's what I'm feeling nowadays. And 2 deep conditioners from Hask. Okay, so we have the, I guess this is like Zyja, or I don't know. Don't kill me for pronouncing something totally wrong. But it both says that it's for sensitive skin, flabby, and dull. So it's supposed to bring some brightness into your life, honey. But I may actually take these 2 products to Miami with me this weekend. And we have some hair masks, and I probably will use one of these for to prepare my hair for my faux locks that I'm doing. So this is Orchard and White Truffle. It adds shine for dry and damaged hair, honey. Moisture rich deep conditioner. And this is Curl Care Deep Conditioner, which is quenches and controls frizz. Okay. Then we have the, ooh, it looks blue. I'll open that up. And then here is the lip gloss, and I will do a sample of that on my hand. For the nail polish, I will just show you the color. I'm not gonna paint my nails at all. Gave me the blue Bella Pure nail polish, and this is how the lip gloss look. It comes on, maybe, it looks pink, but it goes on gold, which reminds me of Rihanna's Vacray. I love that lip gloss. This looked like it could be a dupe for that one. So we overall we received 6 products: the Travel Duo hair mask, the miniature lip gloss, the fingernail polish, and the serum and the cream. And that is it for this month's Onyxbox. Thank you so much for watching. I'm sorry that it's late. Hopefully it will not happen again. Y'all have a great day.